In this video, we will be looking at how to install a Rusco Smart Leak Detector. First, search for Smart Life in your phone or tablet's App Store. Then install and open the app. Tap Allow Notifications in order to receive important information from your smart device. You can log into an existing account or create your own free account here. Having a user account is recommended as it allows you to pull up your saved smart products on other devices. It also allows you to create automated scenes. Now you can allow the app to access your Bluetooth, which will make the setup process easier. Once we have the app installed, we can get the leak detector ready to be added to the app. First, let's remove the battery cover on the bottom of the detector. The leak detector takes two AAA batteries. When removing the cover, you will notice a small rubber piece around the battery compartment. Make sure to keep this as it helps to prevent water from getting into the battery. Once you install the AAA batteries, locate the button above the battery compartment. Press and hold the button for at least 5 seconds. You should see a red light start to blink on the top of the detector. This means it is in pairing mode for your app. Back on the app, tap Add Device, and if you've enabled Bluetooth connection, it should find it for you. Now assign the 2.4 GHz network that you want your detector to connect to. Make sure to check your router's manual to see if it has a dual band mode, or see if you need to change your router settings from 5 GHz to 2.4. Type the password for your network and tap Next. Smart Life will connect the leak detector to your network. Now that you have the detector added to your app, you can reinstall the back battery cover. Make sure to add the rubber seal back in and screw the cover on tightly. Now that the leak detector is paired, it will notify your device anytime a leak is detected or when your battery is low and needs to be changed. Now you can place your smart leak detectors anywhere that water could leak. Some suggested places would be near the back of a washing machine, under a sink, or next to a toilet.